So a couple months ago, Reece Gibson posted a video of himself doing a 7-day Rubik's Cube progression. I haven't solved a Rubik's Cube in a few months, but this video inspired me to make my own 7-day progression. Alright, so here is day 1. So as I said earlier, I have not solved this in a few months, so we'll see how it goes. For this challenge, I'm not going to be learning any new methods or algorithms, but I'm just simply going to be trying to improve the speed at the algorithms that I already know. Alright, so first just going to scramble it a little bit. Alright, so now just going to look around the cube for a few seconds before I try to solve it. Alright, here goes. Done. So about a minute and 18 seconds. So it's alright. We'll see how much I can improve. So I practiced a little bit last night and a little bit this morning. So see if that can lead to some improvements today. Alright, so it is day 2. Going to scramble up the cube and then gonna see how long it takes me to solve it. Okay, so I've looked at the cube and now I'm going to solve it. Alright, done. So about a minute and 4 seconds. So that is definitely better than yesterday. So we'll see if I can keep improving from here. Okay, so it is day 3. And so I'm going to scramble up the cube and see how long it takes me to solve it today. Hopefully I can beat my time. Okay, so it is day 4. Going to scramble it and see what I can get today. Incoming! So it is day 5 and I'm gonna see what I can do today. Alright, I've got it scrambled. Alright, so day 6, I've already got it scrambled today, and let's see how I can do. Alright, so it is day 7. All of the work and hours of practice, just kidding, don't believe it's been hours. but they've all accumulated into today, the final day. So I will see what time I can achieve today. So here are my times for the week. You may have noticed that the day 3 time is different on my phone. That is because I had a couple issues with filming and had to use another clip for it. But I started off with 78 seconds on the first day and was able to half my time, ultimately achieving a best of 39 seconds on day 5. And as hard as I tried on day 7, I just could not break that mark once again. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. Subscribe if you want to see some running content, or if you want to see me try to challenge myself to solve this cube, the megaminx. And so I've included the 39-second solve, my best solve of the week, at the end in real time if you want to check that out, just to prove that I actually solved it in that amount of time. And either way, I will catch you guys in a later video. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.